Hello, it's Natasha here. Welcome back to my channel. Happy to see you here. I hope you're staying safe and staying positive, and I hope you have more time to do things you love. Honestly, I don't seem to have more time for some strange reason, and I see that many people doing a lot of lives now and posting more videos, and I admire them, and I'm so grateful to them for doing that for all of us to inspire us. But I, for some reason, don't seem to have more time for crafting and for making videos, but I'll do my best. So today I'm going to share with you a quick video making a birthday card using supplies that are not initially designed maybe for this. So I'm going to use this Simon Says stamp set, Oh Bunny, which is, I think, an Easter set as such, but in Russia, bunnies are not really associated with Easter. And when I saw this set, I didn't think Easter, I thought cute. And I'm not really much into critters, but the type of critters I sort of like whimsical and simple images, and so these cute bunnies, very simple shapes, and really appealed to me, so I got this set. I'm also going to use this stencil again from Simon Says Stamp, which is called Mod Trees, and I think it was, I might be wrong, but I think it was part of a winter release or sort of a Christmas release. So they sort of this stencil is certainly perfect for Christmas cards, but we're going to use it today for a birthday card. For the sentiment, I'm going to use again Simon Says Stamp set. The sentiments, Clean Line Every Day, which I absolutely adore. It is absolutely up my alley, clean and simple alley. I'm also going to use masking stencils from Tailored Expressions, the circle stencils, but you can certainly create a mask with masking paper and just a circle die. But what I love about these masking stencils, I have rectangular and oval and square, is that it really, you know, they are reusable, and they don't tear your paper, and you can use them again and again and again, so it's sort of not wasteful, and that's what I love about them. And for the colors, I'm going to use I think quite an unusual color palette for me, very soft and pastel looking. So these are inks from Pink Fresh Studio. I'm going to use Soft Lilac, Sky Blue, Ballet Slipper, and Rocky Slope. All the links to the supplies will be in description below, but I encourage you to go through your stash and just look for something that might fit this idea. Okay, let's make a card. Okay, so here is our clean and simple card using our supplies in different in a different way. So I foam mounted the bunnies. I'm sorry, you might be having some glare. I don't know. It's not particularly sunny today, so I apologize for that if the quality is not really very good. So I foam mounted the bunnies. I added some sequins and adhered my panel onto purple light, well, purple lilac cardstock. Blue would go well here, or pink or light gray I think would work nicely. So go through your stash, look at your supplies in different ways, and maybe use your holiday stash for non-holiday cards. Why not? So thank you very much for your time. As always, these days, stay healthy, stay safe, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.